Today I'm going to show you how to change your Samsung keyboard to GBoard, Google's keyboard app. It's a great way to enhance your typing experience with more features and customization. So let's get started. First, we need to install GBoard if you haven't done so already. Go to the Google Play Store on your Samsung device. In the search bar, type GBoard and hit search. Find the app in the results and tap on Installed. Wait for it to download and install. After GBoard is installed, let's set it as the default keyboard. Go to your device's settings app. You can find it in your app drawer or swipe down the notification panel and tap the gear icon. Scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, tap on Language and Input. Select On-Screen Keyboard to see the keyboards installed on your device. Here you'll see a list of keyboards. Find GBoard and toggle it on. With GBoard enabled, you can switch to it. You can open any app where you can type like messages or notes. When the keyboard appears, tap the keyboard icon in the notification bar. If you don't see the icon, you can also tap and hold the space bar, then slide to select GBoard. Now you can start using GBoard. You'll notice features like emoji suggestions, voice typing, and much more. And that's it, you've successfully changed your Samsung keyboard to GBoard.